SEMA, mechanism of vision. In this one, we will see how human eye is functioning. So from this, initially we will talk about working of an eye and its accommodation, how eye will work, and in that eye, how light is accommodated. That is what initially we will see. So the working of an eye is similar to that of camera. The working of an eye is similar to that of camera. How camera will work in such a way, our eye also does. But except the lens of human eye. Except the lens of human eye. It does not move. It does not move forward or backward. But it can adjust distance for focusing by changing its shape. See here. So the working of an eye, just like a camera. How camera will work, like that our eye also works, except lens. But in camera, the lens we can make it, we can zoom for forward direction, backward direction. Like that, lens is not work. That's what I am saying. Working of an eye is similar to that of camera, except lens of human eye. Human eye lens cannot move forward, backward. The human lens cannot move forward direction, backward direction. But the lens itself adjusts distance. The lens itself adjusts distance for focusing by changing its shape of the lens. The lens shape is changed. So why it is changed? For focusing image of the surroundings. Such a beautiful mechanism is accommodated in our eye. So the lens is responsible. Generally, in camera lens is moved forward, backward, but the lens of human eye does not move forward direction, backward direction. But it can adjust distance. The lens of our eye lens adjusts distance. Why adjust distance? For focusing surroundings image by changing the lens shape. Okay? That is the first statement. Next, when the light rays fall on retina, when the light rays fall on retina, when the light rays fall on retina, see here. When the light rays fall on retina, this is innermost layer is see the innermost layer. So already know that sclera, choroid, innermost layer is retina. So here, when the light rays falls on retina, see here, it is already giving you, it is conjunctiva cornea. When the light rays falls on retina, it enters in through eye. How when the light rays falls on cornea, from the cornea it enters inside of the eye and focus on retina. That is the one statement. When the light rays falls on cornea, from the cornea, the light rays are entered inside and focus on retina. See here, already here we have seen that. What we have seen that See, this is called, this region is called iris. The iris control the iris controls the amount of light passing through the pupil. So see here, in between the space is called pupil. This is called iris. Already we discussed. The iris controls the amount of light passing through the pupil. That is the second step. 1, 2, and third statement. Okay. So the iris controls the amount of light passing through the pupil and enters inside of the eye and focus on the retina. Next view. The rays of light converge. Converge means combined together. The rays of light combined together. As they pass through, this is called aqueous humor. Okay, the rays of light converge means come together and passes through this small chamber is called aqueous chamber. It is filled with the fluid aqueous humor. Here what would be there? Lens. Here what would be there? Lens. Aqueous humor, lens, aqueous humor, pupil, lens, aqueous humor, and finally focused on the retina in the form of an inverted image. See here, one more diagram here I will show you. This is an object. A, B. The rays of light converge as they pass through. See, from this focus. So A, B, once again, the rays of light converge, come together as they pass through conjunctiva, cornea, aqueous humor, pupil, lens, aqueous humor, and finally focus at retina in the form of inverted image. B, A. Here AB on retina it would be inverted image. Okay, this is the fourth statement. Once again, this statement. The rays of light come together as they pass through various parts of front portion and finally focus on retina in the form of inverted image. So what is the meaning of inverted? Everybody knows that. It is up and down direction. So it is upside inverted position on inside of our retina. This is next one. See here, the lens. This is called lens. The lens makes necessary adjustment to focus sharpest image of the object. This is called object. The lens makes necessary adjustment. This is the lens. Sorry, this is the lens. This lens makes necessary adjustment to bring sharpest image of the object on the retina. So see, if it is on the retina. That is one statement. The ability of the lens. This is the ability of the lens, which is focused, which is received. The ability of the lens, which receives light rays from near the object and from far away objects, which is focused on the light, is called accommodation. Is called accommodation. Accommodation. One second. The ability of the lens by which the light rays from nearer of the object and from far away objects focused on retina is called accommodation. Accommodation. So depends upon lens. Okay. So the image of the light rays from the nearer object, from the far away object. If this lens is failed to adjust, already I said contraction, relaxation. If that adjustments are failed, we will receive blur image. Blur image. Some people will say that if I will remove my spectacles, I am not getting anything. I am not seeing properly anything. Blur image is forming. Why? So the lens failed to adjust properly. That is one reason. So here rods contains pigments. Rhodopsin of rods, rhodopsin pigment. If that pigment or iodopsin of cones, due to that also blur image is found. Okay, once again. So the ability of the lens by which the light rays from near object and from far away objects focus on retina. Focused on retina. That phenomenon is called accommodation. Here, when the ciliary muscles relax. So, when the ciliary muscles relax, see here, I am rubbing this. These are called ciliary muscles. When the ciliary muscles relax, the lens becomes thinner. The lens becomes thinner. The lens becomes thinner. The lens becomes thinner for focusing light rays from far away place. Okay, so when the ciliary muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thinner and focuses light rays from distant place to that is one condition. Next, when the ciliary muscles contract, the lens becomes thicker and focuses light rays or image of the object from nearer to the retina. This is commonly, irrespective of healthy or unhealthy, in every person's this phenomena commonly occurs. When the ciliary muscles relax, the lens becomes thinner and focuses image of the object from the distant place, more than 6 meters. When the ciliary muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thicker. Thicker. The image of the object focus from nearer to us. Our eye have the ability. The human eye have an ability to focus images from 25 centimeters to infinity distance. Our eye have the ability to accommodate images of the objects from 25 what? From our eye. 25 means very near we count our eye count focus. From 25 centimeters. From 25 centimeters. From this distance. So from this distance. From 25 centimeters to infinity. Infinity distance. Human eye have the ability to receive image of the objects from 25 centimeters to infinity. Distance is infinity. From here we can see long place, longest place. That is the ability we have. Okay, so that is the mechanism. Not finished. Okay, ma? The next topic is binocular vision. The region of the environment, from the surroundings. The region of the environment from which each eye receives a light. It is called visual field. Visual effect. The region of the eye. From which the region of the environment, the region of the environment, from which means from the environment, each eye receives image of the object. Each eye receives light. That is called visual effect. In humans, a pair of eyes are located in front portion, ventral portion. Since a pair of eyes are located in ventral portion, there is an overlapping of visual field in each eye. There is an overlapping of visual effect between each eye. Listen to this point. There is an overlapping of visual effect between each eye. What is overlapping? Yes, with this eye, we cannot see surroundings very clearly. When we can see with another eye, we can see surroundings very clearly. This is overlapping. Since a pair of eyes are located in ventral portion, there is an overlapping between visual effects of each eye. Overlapping means what? Like this, overlapping between the eyes of visual effect of each eye. This is called binocular vision. So this will form one image, this will form one image. These two images goes to the visual center of the brain in cerebrum. In the brain, so this image is understood by the brain cells and produces finally one image. We cannot see two images. Goes to the brain, two images. But when brain cells understands and produces final image, it becomes single image. That is called binocular vision. Okay, since a pair of eyes are located in ventral portion, there is an overlap between the visual fields of each eye. That is called binocular vision. So we can see far away objects. Instantaneously, we can see near objects. Spontaneously, we can see far away and near. Okay, so that is depends upon lens adjustment. So each eye receives separate images and sent to the brain through optic nerve. There it can be understood and finally forms one image and send necessary signals to lips and to our body parts. Then we can see that fan, tube light, chalk piece, duster, table, etc. This is called binocular vision. Pathway of light rays. image. This is already shown. It is A, it is B, inverted position. The image of the object goes into the eye in the form of light rays. Light rays converge, come together as they pass through conjunctiva, cornea, aqueous humor, lens through pupil, vitreous humor. This large space is called vitreous humor. Vitreous humor to retina. Inverted position from retina optic nerve. So from the retina, inverted image through optic nerve reaches to the brain. In the brain, visual center is present. In the brain, visual center of the cerebrum. So in the brain, that impulse understood by the brain cells and produces final image in the brain. Okay, so this is the pathway of the light rays in eye. Okay, that's all. Next. Changes in retina when light rays fall on retina. See here. So retina consists of rods and cones, photosensitive cells. That is rods and cones. Okay. So the retina consists of rods and cones in non-uniform distribution. Uniformly means specific calculation. Non-uniform means what? There is no proper line, sequence, etc. Non-uniform manner, rods and cones are distributed in retina. So this breaking up of photosensitive pigments present in the rods and cones, breaking up of photosensitive pigments, nowadays you know that it. So photosensitive pigments, that is the rhodopsin. Adopsin. Breaking up of the photosensitive pigments, rhodopsin and adopsin by specific wavelengths of light. Specific wavelength of light. Specific wavelength of light. Its meaning breaking separation of rhodopsin and adopsin pigments. Rhodopsin and adopsin pigments by specific wavelengths of light. Specific wavelength of light is what? 400 to 700 nanometers light. When 400 to 700 nanometer light is focused on our eye at that time, so rhodopsin pigment and adopsin pigments are broken. So when broken rhodopsin and adopsin pigments, so due to that broken condition, there is generate nerve impulse. Nerve impulse or action potential is generated. Electrical current is generated. So that electrical current, nerve impulse is transmitted. Nerve impulse is transmitted to the bipolar nerve cells. From the bipolar nerve already 2 times I have drawn that. So rods, cones, I have shown. Already I have shown rods, how rods will be there, cones will be there. Okay, so from outer to middle to inner side in the retina, how rods and cones are arrangement, already I have shown. Okay, so in the rods and cones, when these are broken, at that time there is generates action potential, nerve impulse. That nerve impulse is transmitted to bipolar nerve cells. From the bipolar nerve cells, ganglion cells. From the ganglion cells, optic nerve cells. Optic nerve cells. So through the optic nerve cells, nerve impulses goes to the visual center of the brain. In the brain, whatever maybe the nerve impulses are entered, those nerve impulses are understood by the brain cells and produces final image. Final image of the objects. See here, on the retina it becomes inverted. So this inverted image goes to the brain, goes to the visual center of the brain through optic nerve. So in the brain, the inverted image understood and brings to correct position and makes final image. That is what wall, human beings, chair, table, pencil, chalk piece, pen, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that's all. So that is the explanation about changes in retina when light focus on retina and cone. Focus on retina. Okay. See here. The photosensitive pigments in the human eye. Photosensitive pigments in the human eye. Rhodopsin and iropsin. These are made up of by special type of a protein that is called opsin. That is called opsin. In humans, photosensitive pigments contain special type of a protein that is called opsin, which is an aldehyde form of vitamin A. Vitamin A. Which is an aldehyde form of vitamin A. That means what? Opsin is formed from the vitamin A. Vitamin A, how we will get? From the carotene. Carotene. The carotene is present in green leafy vegetables. If vitamin A deficiency, opsin does not form. If opsin does not form, rhodopsin and cones are ineffective, weak, then our image gets damaged. Okay, that's all. So next, generally here some more information is there. 6. That also we will see now. See, rods, cones. Rods are responsible for effectively, we can see during night time or dim light. So the rods makes our vision during night black and white. Black and white are shades of grey color. So the cones are responsible for effective vision during night time. But in the cones, 3 types are there. 3 types of cones are there. Those are red color, green color, blue color cones. These 3 types of cones in equally stimulated and helps to see white color. Listen carefully. Key point, depth point. Cones in our eye, 3 different types of cones present. Due to those 3 different types of cones, those 3 cones, when nerve impulse occurs at that time, these 3 types of cones equally stimulated and helps to see white color. Okay, so in nocturnal animals, rods are well developed. Example, cones. In diurnal animals, cones are well developed and helps to see colors. Example, sparrow. So human beings, yes, monkeys, turtles, colors, have the ability to see colors. But some fishes, shark fishes, most of the animals, most of the domesticated animals and the shark fishes don't have the ability to see colors. The most important thing, that is honeybees. Honeybees can even see ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light, which is not seen by the human beings. Honeybees can even see ultraviolet light, which is cannot be seen by human beings. We cannot see ultraviolet light, but honeybees can see. That means what? Honeybees vision is more effective than us. Okay, man?